we're just gonna run over to the store real quick to pick up a windrower. And if I can find one that I can put a baler on the back of, that'd be so awesome. Highly doubt this one has it. Nope, don't. This one? Okay, that looks impossible. Do I have to actually download that? Oh man, I might have to actually end up downloading that. That lawnmower pack mod, whatever it's called. But this has a 15-meter spread, so I'm hoping that the moment I put this on a time lapse, it's not gonna be taken forever. Let's unfold. That's widespread there. Okay. Time lapse begins now.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you're...
Well, that's that job finally done. I did an experiment over here on this trip, so I'll pick that up later. And since we have the silo, I actually remembered about halfway through windrowing that I don't know why I bought this windrow when I could have leased it. I mean, I'm pretty sure we're still gonna need something, you know, like bales, because this you know is gonna get full at some point. You know, might as well have hay in whatever configuration you can get it in, you know. Be prepared instead of wishing you had it. And I could have done a little better job. There we go. And believe it or not, I did not have my timer going when I did the first half of windrowing that field. So I'm pretty sure you can tell where I ended up jumping, did the jump cut, because I didn't have the timer on to when I actually turned it on. So we're at least gonna go and bale all this up, and then the next episode will come collect the bales and throw them in the storage. Now, as far as the sheep is concerned, they haven't really produced much wool. I know our first and foremost shed, they're not even a full first pallet, and I keep missing bits. So we're just gonna let them go. And if it's not gonna be this episode, it'll be the next episode to see if they produce anything. And maybe also next episode we'll run the fertilizer over this grass area. And I'm gonna stay quiet again and throw this on another time lapse. And I don't know if I'm gonna find any hurry up and get this stuff done music, but I'll play something. We're almost there. Might as well be putting along 5 miles an hour. Alright. Now, I do know that is there not a way that I can... Oh, there it is. Didn't know you had to turn it off first. Okay. That is about the extent of the episode today, because I forgot what else I was going to say before I got distracted in figuring out how to unload this thing. In the next episode, we will be running the fertilizer spreader. I'm pretty sure that I still have failed to buy a forage wagon. We will be getting one of those. And you may have noticed I do have a new mower. I wanted to try something which apparently did not work, but it was worth the shot anyway. Oh, I'm pretty sure Mutt went through his bowl already. There we go. Where is he at? He was just in the yard a bit ago. Mutt, where are you at? Where are you at, Mutt? Come on. Oh, hey, how you doing? Are you doing good? Yeah. I don't think I had any small brain moments lately, because all I did was windrow and baled a field. Well, you just keep on being you. I gotta say goodbye to everybody. Do you want to say goodbye? No? Okay, you go after what you've been smelling. I'm pretty sure he'll come around here in a minute. Well, that draws this episode to a close. Like I said, I will be running the fertilizer spreader over the grass field in the next episode. The next episode also will be going to a new day, so we can get the clothes sold, and then that could sponsor our new forage wagon, so we can go around and pick up the hay, and then we'll check through the animal pens to see who's generated more. get those transferred over. And I highly doubt it's not going to be next episode, or probably even the episode after that, but we'll probably in the next 3 or 4 episodes, we'll put it that way, we'll be getting a new sheep barn for the new overflow, because that third one we put in, I'm gonna stop at 20 when there's 20 spots open, so that way more can be birthed and more can be transferred over, yada yada. So that's how much fun we're going to have in the next few episodes. So I'm going to call it there, and I'm not going to forget that we have this when it comes time to mow that other field. So y'all take care of yourselves. I'm out. Peace.